Hey there everyone, thanks so much for watching. This is Brenton with Vortex Detailing, mobile auto detailing business based in Oregon City, Oregon. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick transformation video. I was able to wash that truck and trailer in 2 hours and 45 minutes flat. I'm going to go ahead and put the chemicals on the screen and the dilution ratios that I used and explain a little bit of the process that I did to go about doing that and the time that I was able to achieve it in. First thing that I did was I went ahead and I used a product called All Clean by DIY Detail, and this product's diluted 15:1. It is my all-purpose cleaner. It works great at cleaning wheels, tires, fender wells, and loosening up any road grime or bug guts or anything like that that may be left on the surface of the vehicle. So I go ahead and I spray down the surface that I want to clean before I ever introduce any water to it with the chemical. I let it dwell, then I go ahead and spray down the vehicle and the trailer with the foam cannon solution, which I'm going to get into next. And in this particular instance, I'm using an acid wash by Image Wash Product, which is a company that specializes in developing detailing products for heavy equipment, big rigs and such. So this is actually a two-step acid wash. So the first foam that we put on here is the acid, and the second foam is the neutralizer. So we let the first foam sit down, we spray it on, we foam it on, we let it dwell for a couple minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Then we throw down the second foam solution without ever rinsing. We let that dwell for another 3 to 5 minutes, and this depends on heat, it depends on humidity, it depends on where the sun's at, of course. Let that dwell, and then we go ahead and take our pressure washer or our hose and we rinse down. And by the time you do this, you haven't touched the vehicle at all, and now the vehicle surface is almost completely clean to the touch. So now we take our contact wash, which in this instance, I'm just going to reuse the same foams. The process goes like this: the chemical first as the pre-treatment, and then the double foam process, and then I rinse, never touched anything, and then I do the double foam process again, and after the second foaming, I take my contact wash with my wash mitt, and I go ahead and lightly agitate the surface in straight back and forth motions using zero pressure whatsoever, not scrubbing on anything, nothing like that. Lightly agitating the surface, straight back and forth. That's it. Rinse it away, dry it, be done with it. That's the process that I used here. I didn't even really crack out any sort of detailing brushes or anything like that. You saw how hammered these vehicles, you saw how hammered the truck and the trailer both were to start this video. So this is kind of a detailing process that I'm calling the lazy man's detail. I wouldn't actually, and as a detailer, I don't want to actually advertise this as a detail job, right? Because I'm not using any sort of chemical or mechanical decontamination on this. The truck, I went ahead and dried it using ceramic gloss, which is a ceramic topper spray and also a really, really good drying aid. So I went ahead and I did put that over the surface of the truck before doing any sort of mechanical or chemical decontamination. The surface of that truck was so clean after doing what I had done that I didn't really need to do any sort of heavy decontamination on it, if that makes sense. It's a super easy, very efficient, zero effort whatsoever process to do this. And again, I washed both of these in under 3 hours. And I'm telling you right now, for most people, they're going to spend 3 hours, if not longer, just cleaning the truck. So I know that this might sound unbelievable. I know it was a time lapse, but I promise you there is no trickery here. This was definitely doable for anybody, even with minimal experience. Of course, it will take you some time to get used to the sequence of events. It will take you time to get used to the products before you can achieve things in this time. But with all that said, you guys, I hope you learned something. I hope this video is of value to you. And until next time, God bless you. Have a good one.